how to increase or decrease call vibration intensity on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on ringtone. Then tap on vibrate while ringing, so tap on the left hand side. Here you can change the call vibration intensity by dragging on the slider bar to the left or to the right to increase the intensity. At the bottom here, you will also be able to choose a different vibration pattern. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.